like I hear noises in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, what? Like this just happened a couple weeks ago. Anyway, so then I got up, not quickly, but I was like, that's just so weird. Everyone's sleeping. Maybe Corey got up. I don't know. So then I went, turned on all the lights. No one was there. No one was up. I looked to see if there was any lights on in the basement. Nothing's on. So then I was like, okay, that was weird. So I shut all the lights off. I checked on Sailor, passed out. I look at the dog. Banjo's passed out in her bed. And Charlie's in his kennel, so it's not him. And Cole's next to me. So I'm like, okay, that was weird. So then I grab my book again
Mm-hmm.
and tuck myself in and open the book, do the shield again, and go to read this chapter. And then clear as day, there's stuff happening in the kitchen.